In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create handouts in PowerPoint, both printable and editable. Whether you're preparing for a lecture, a business meeting, or even just sharing information with your team, handouts can be an incredibly useful tool to ensure your audience can follow along with your presentation and take notes effectively. First, let's begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've got PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the presentation that you want to create handouts for. If you don't already have the presentation prepared, remember that you can always create a new one or open an existing file that you've worked on before. Now, when you're looking at your presentation, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the File tab there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new menu on the side that provides various options for your presentation, not just limited to saving or printing, but also other features such as exporting your files. Next, within that file menu, look for the export option. Once you click on export, several choices will appear for how you might want to share or convert your presentation. We're specifically interested in the option that says create handout. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. After selecting Create Handout, you'll see a new button that says Create Handouts. Yes, I know it sounds a bit repetitive, but PowerPoint wants to make sure you're really committed to making these handouts. Click on that button to open a dialog box that gives you different formatting options. In this dialog, you'll find a variety of ways you can format your handouts. For today, we'll focus on one of the most popular styles, notes next to slides. This option places your slide on one side and gives you clear space on the other side for notes, making it ideal for both printing and editing. It's an efficient way to provide your audience with plenty of room to jot down thoughts or additional information as they view each slide. Once you've selected notes next to slides, simply click on OK to finalize your choice. At this point, PowerPoint will open a new Word document containing your handouts formatted just the way you asked for them. From here, you have the flexibility to print them as is, or further customize any of the notes in Word, ensuring your handouts perfectly meet the needs of your audience. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a polished, professional set of handouts ready to go, tailored precisely to your presentation's needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes creating handouts in PowerPoint a breeze for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.